Hey guys, so I'm so sorry for no intro. I recorded it, but somehow my SD card is getting really hot when I plug it into my computer, so I can't have it. But I'm just going to jump right into this video and show you guys what I'm going to do with this look. So I'm starting off on freshly co-washed hair, and I'm just going to take my water bottle and just saturate my hair even more than it already is, so that way when I put the gel on and the conditioner, it stays on. So I'm using my Cantu conditioner. I'm using a decent sized amount to put onto my section. I'm going to lather that in, try to get as much of every strand that I can. Then I'm going to finger detangle. As you see, you want to make sure that your hair is very detangled, so that way this look looks very crisp and the curls are very poppin'. So I'm just going to go through very thoroughly and make sure that my hair is detangled from roots to the ends. So now I'm just going in with my Wet Line Extreme Gel, and I'm going to make sure I get every strand like I was saying with the conditioner, so that way that this look will look really sleek and you'll create that wet look that we're looking for. So then I just take my fake diamond brush and I kind of slick down the top of each section, so that way it's going to lay flat when I'm all done with my look. So now I'm just going to keep repeating those steps with each section of my hair until we get to the top, which is going to require a little more that I'll tell you about in a second. As you can see, I'm just going to add a little more gel to the top of this section to really make sure that I can smooth it and lay it down, so that way it's laying flat, so that way we don't have it sticking up, which have that smooth, sleek look that we're going for. Okay, last section. I'm scared. I don't think it's going to come out right because my curls aren't really that popping in general. And the top is always straighter, so we'll see how this is gonna look. I'm so nervous. So now I'm gonna attempt to do my edges. I don't do edges, I suck at this, but with this look I feel like you need to have some edges, so I'm gonna attempt to do it. Do not judge me, guys, do not judge me. But we're gonna try to lay these edges down, so let's hope that it comes like this. That's the best you're gonna get from me because I can't do this. That's horrible. Whatever. Who cares? It's for the video. So we're gonna tie our hair with our satin scarf, and we're gonna let this thing dry. Currently it's 8:23 p.m. so it's not gonna dry tonight. So I'll probably just come back in the morning because this isn't gonna dry tonight. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Maybe if I see you before then, we'll see. But if not, I'll see you guys in the morning with the final finished product. So I'm just gonna push all this back. Make sure the back has a enough gel so it won't be frizzy. So some pieces are a little frizzy. Yeah, so we're gonna set this back. And I will most likely see you guys tomorrow. Good night, and I'll see you in the morning, which is gonna be like 2 seconds for you guys, so see ya. Hey, good morning guys. So it's time for the big reveal. My hair is not even all the way dry at all. It's still pretty wet, and it's been about 13 hours since I've done this, so a little over 12 hours, but yeah, it's not dry, so it's probably not gonna be the greatest. And yeah, so let's just take this scarf off and see what we have going on underneath here, because right now I'm kind of scared. So let's take it off and see the big reveal. Oh! It's still soaking wet. That's crazy. Ooh. I look like a bald-headed boy. The top is dry, but the back is like 80% wet. So it's only 20% dry pretty much. But yeah, my edges kind of went away as my scarf went down, so I'm gonna add some curly cues here. Keep them back there. So I'm gonna try to fix my edges because right now it's so wet still. Oh my god, it's just crazy. But it's not that bad. I have a weird head shape. So but yeah, it's not that bad. It's still wet, but okay, it's not too bad. I'll show you guys the back because it's kind of like, you know, it's a little short, but shrinkage. But yeah, it's kind of cute though. Let me just kind of fix these edges a little bit because I can't be out here looking cray. So this is our final look. Yeah, it's kind of cute. It's different, but it's cute. I like it. It's really cute. Yeah guys, so like I said, I will link all the videos that I suggested earlier. Also the products that I use, I will link down below as well. So this is my final product of my wet look. It's still pretty much wet for the most part. But yeah, so I will link everything down below that I use. Also, I'll use the channels that I was talking about earlier in the video. I will link them down below as well so you can check them out. And give me some suggestions down below in the comments of what you guys would like to see from me. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!